Hey everybody, Joshua the Boss here, and today I'm going to be attempting to solve 3 Rubik's Cubes in under 10 minutes. I've tried this before and I succeeded, so I just wanted to record this on camera. And if you really like this video, smash that like button and leave in the comment section below if you want to learn how to solve these 3 Rubik's Cubes that I'm going to be doing today. I have some of you may call it the Pyraminx, which is the pyramid, and I have the 3x3, of course, the original, and the 2x2. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be solving today, and I'm going to start with this. So as you can see, I have my timer on my stopwatch on my iPad, and I'm going to be starting it in a few seconds. So what I'm going to be doing is stopping it after each cube, and I'm going to try to do a second lap. That way at the end, I can see how long I took to solve all 3. First, I'm going to start with this, and I'm going to start in a few seconds. So ready, set, go. And I finished. So I did this the pyramid one, in 44 seconds, which is actually a new high score for me. The pyramid actually turned out easier for me this time, so I was lucky. Jorge the Cool, my brother, he scrambled it and I didn't see anything. So here's the pyramid done, and next is going to be the 2x2. So I'm gonna start. And what I'm going to do is click start, click lap, and when I do that, I'm going to start. So for right now, ready, set, go. I got this. And I'm done with it actually. New high score for this too actually. They ended up super easy. And if you learn how to do it fast like me, you can learn how to do this too. And of course, leave in the comments below if you want to learn how to do that. And now I'm going to be doing 3x3, which is actually the one that takes longest. About 5 minutes. I've done 3 minutes before, which is like my high score. But I'm going to do this completely scrambled, and I'm going to start that. And like right, oh sorry, I'm just gonna have to get that out the way, and I'm gonna start in ready, set, go. Okay, so this is actually the harder one for me. I know some of you can do it really fast. I have this friend who can do it really fast, but I'm not as fast as him yet. Okay, so I'm actually getting a little confused here right now. Okay, got this. And where's the other one? It is, where is it? Oh, it's right over here. Okay, I got that part. What? I got that part done so far. I got that done. Where is this? Okay, now I'm just gonna have to fit it. Where'd you go? Oh, there you go. And I am almost there. And I'm almost, wait. Okay. And so close. And three. Done. And then as you can see, and I actually did it under 5 minutes, so it went good for me. So looks like I won't have to call this video under 10 minutes anymore, because I got a new high score, and I just solved the 3 Rubik's Cubes in under 5 minutes. Let me get the triangle one in. But yeah, that was basically it for this video. That's all I wanted to show you guys. And if you want to learn how to solve any of these 3 or all of these 3, of course, leave it in the comments below and smash it like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, to know if I upload awesome videos like this one. And yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Remember to tell me if you want me to make a tutorial videos on these. But yeah, besides that, that's gonna be it for now. So we'll see you all in the next video. Bye.